Hi y'all, I'm going to attempt to cook today, but this new member of the household has other ideas. This is a flooper who was living in a colony next door, and the flooper decided it wanted to be in this house. So, if the cat lets me up, we'll try cooking. So we got our Omnia oven. We got some pizza fixings. Let's see if I can make a pizza. But I also got this cool perforated baking tray from my lovely assistant. I haven't yet decided. That would help crisp the bottom of the pizza, don't you think? Maybe. I'll have to think on it. Okay, I've got the base heating, and that's my heat diffuser underneath. I did put the baking tray in to help keep the bottom from burning. You see I've stretched out the dough. Maybe that'll work. Need to pull that up around the walls a little more. And then I'll dump in some sauce. Saucy! Cheesy! Oakley dokley. We're going to put the lid on and see what happens. Okay, I let it sit for 5 minutes, and normally you'd use a pizza cutter. Instead, I used a spoon and a knife, and I'm going to try to take a bite with a fork. And I could probably cook it a little bit more. But, let me see if I can, yeah, a couple more minutes. The, having the perforated bottom actually requires a longer cook time. Who knew? But as you can see, it's something resembling a pizza. It's actually pretty good, but yeah, definitely needs cooked a little longer. So I'm gonna do that, and remember, we make the mistakes so you don't have to. But it's a thumbs up for the Omnia, another successful test. Slide it over here, and discovered here where I am, between low and medium is the place to be. So on behalf of the floofer and myself, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Meow!